Hello children. In the last video we have learned a subtraction of a weight. So in this video we are going to learn statement sums of weight. So see the first question. There are 15 kg potatoes and 13 kg tomatoes in a bag. What is the total weight of the bag? Okay. So see here, this is a bag. In this bag, how many kg of tomatoes are there? How many kg of tomatoes? 13 kg of tomatoes are there. 13 kg of tomatoes and how many potatoes? 15 kg of potatoes are there. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to find out now the total weight of this bag. So we already know that the weight of the tomato and the weight of the potato. So weight of the tomato is 13 kg and weight of the potato is 15 kg. So if we add both the numbers, then we will get total weight of this bag. Got it? So we'll do the sum. Okay. So right now you should write weight of potato. How much? Weight of potatoes. And now write weight of tomatoes. So the weight of potato is 15 kg and weight of tomato is 13 kg. The kg one you can write here. So now what we can do? We need to do here addition. After adding these two numbers, we will get the total weight of this bag. So now add 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is how much, students? Yes, it's 8. Now 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? Yes, very good. It's 2. So now 15 kg plus 13 kg is 28 kg. So what is this 28 kg? This 28 kg is the total weight of that bag. Total weight of the bag. Yes. So now the total weight of this bag is 28 kg. So understood, students? Yes, very good. So we'll see the next question. So the second question is, in a truck there are 2 bags of 215 kg rice and 435 kg sugar. What is the total weight loaded on truck? So what is the question is? Here is a truck. In this truck, 2 bags are there. One is of sugar and one more is of rice bag. So the weight of this rice bag is 215 kg and the weight of sugar bag is 435 kg. So what we need to find is, we need to find the total weight which we loaded in this truck. Here we are not going to find the weight of the truck. Here we are going to find the weight which we loaded in this truck. Okay. So for that what we need to do is, in the same way we need to add the weight of this bag, sugar bag and the weight of rice bag. Then we will get the total weight which is loaded on that truck. So now start solving the sum. So write weight of the rice bag. Weight of rice bag. How much it is? 215 kg. And now weight of sugar bag. Weight of sugar bag is how much? 435 kg. Okay. That kg we can write on top. Okay. So now to find out the total weight loaded on the truck, we need to do here addition. So now start adding 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 how much? Yes, it's 10. In this 10 here we have 2 digits. So we cannot write 10 like this here. Okay. So what we can do? 0 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Yes. So ones place number we will write under ones place only. And tens place number, this 1 we will carry to this tens place. Okay. So write this carry over number here. Now add tens place number, that is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4 and we need to add this carry over number also. So 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so now add 100 place number, that is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So now how much kg we got? 650 kg. What is this 650 kg? 650 kg is the total weight which we loaded in this truck. Understood, students? Yes, very good. See the third question. I bought 700 gram of biscuits. I ate 250 gram. How many grams of biscuits left with me now? So this is the question. I brought 700 gram of biscuits. In this 700 gram of biscuits, I ate 250 gram of biscuit. After eating 250 gram of biscuits, how many gram of biscuits are left with me now? We need to find out. Okay. So now this is the pouch of 750 gram of biscuit. Okay. So now in this biscuit, this much biscuit will be approximately raised to 250 grams. So these many biscuits I ate now. How many grams of biscuit? 250 grams of biscuits I ate. So now we need to find out the weight of this remaining biscuit now. So what we will do? We will take it and measure on the weighing machine? No, we can do that also, but easily we can find out here by subtracting. Okay. So what you need to do is, you need to write first the total weight of that biscuit, then the weight of that biscuit that we eat. Okay. So now start solving. So the total weight of the biscuit is how much? 700 gram. Okay. So the answer is, total weight of biscuits is 750 gram and weight of biscuits I ate. How much I ate? 250 gram I ate. So I have written here. So what we need to do is to find out the remaining weight of these biscuits. We can subtract. So 0 minus 0 is 0 only, and 5 minus 5 is, yes, of course it's 0. When we subtract a number from itself, we will get the answer as 0. Then now here we have 7 minus 2. So we need to subtract now 2 from 7. So what you can do is, keep 2 in your mind and count your finger till you get the number 7. So after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many fingers we counted now? We counted 5 fingers. So it shows that 7 minus 2 is 5. So now how many gram of biscuits are left with me now? 500 gram. So I bought 750 gram of biscuits. In that I ate 250 gram of biscuits. So how many are left with me now? 500 gram of biscuits are left with me now. So you need to complete your homework and notes on time. Thank you.